Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, today, Tectonic token have hit about 320% increase in volume. Now, Tectonic token, before the end of this year, they will be celebrating their anniversary, and I hope that next year is going to be a better year for Tectonic token. We all know this year, cryptocurrency in general, including Bitcoin, almost all the coins this year is actually a bearish year for crypto industry. Tectonic token is a new coin, and I believe that in 2023, I'm expecting Tectonic token to gain more listening in 2023. But I'm personally hope to see that Get.io, Kucoin, and other top crypto exchanges can list Tectonic token, because once they list Tectonic token is going to really increase in price. But most holders' target on Tectonic token is for this coin to delete at least 2 zeros. Deleting 2 zeros will give us about 10,000%. So $100 returns $10,000, and for me, I think 10,000% is a good one. It's a huge profit for a coin like Tectonic token. Trading with 7 zeros, deleting 2 zeros, and maybe trading with 5 zeros later is going to return a lot of profit. Tectonic token can even hit delete 3 zeros. Yeah, it can hit 100,000%. But all this have to happen when the developers keep working, keep getting partnership for this coin, keep getting this coin to be listed, then keep burning Tectonic token coins. If they can really maintain this level of burning high volume of Tectonic token, and also partnering with majorly the top exchanges like Binance, like Kucoin, like Get.io, like Coinbase, I believe that Tectonic token is going to really pump in price. Well, let's watch and see what will be happening for Tectonic token after they must have first celebrated their 1-year anniversary. Remember, holders have been tweeting for all these developers to get Tectonic token to be listed on more platforms so that people can easily purchase Tectonic token easily from different parts of the world. So if you can get Tectonic token to be listed on Kucoin, Get.io, on L-Bank, on Hotbit, on Binance, on Coinbase, which I know these last two I just mentioned will be coming later, I believe Tectonic token is going to increase in price. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.